What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Greavard, the new ghost type Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the nose. So we start with the top edge. Starting over on the left side, we draw a curve that goes up the middle, and we'll bend that back down on the right. Now let's bring the nose coming back down and in towards the center. So start on the left, bend this down, and then in, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now from here, we draw the outside edge of the muzzle. Just up above the nose, we'll step up. So we curve the muzzle going out, come down the side, and then bend that in. Let's go back up to the top and work our way around the right side. Now from here, we draw the top row of teeth. Let's start back over on the left, draw a short angle line coming up and in. Now we want to curve the teeth, coming down and then in. And we'll bend that back up and in. Let's add one larger tooth on either side. Starting back over on the left, curve this down and in. I'm going to pull this up and in towards the center, just underneath the nose. Let's add a short line coming down from the center of the nose. And then we'll add 3 dots on either side. So start with the top, and then add 2 more along the bottom. Now from here, we move down and draw the bottom row of teeth. Let's start right in the center. Start with a point. Bend this out and up towards the left and right side. And bend this out and then back down. Let's layer another tooth in behind. So we're going to step up, bend this out and up. Go out and then back down. Let's add one smaller tooth on the end, just tucking that in behind. Go out and then back down. Let's close off the side of the mouth. We're going to step up, round this out, pull that up toward the side of the muzzle. Let's draw the outside edge of the tongue. Starting from this point, curve this up and in, and we'll fill the outside corners of the mouth. Now let's work our way around the side of the jaw. From the top, we're going to step up, curve this around. Just going to round up the chin and just pull that in. Let's go over towards the right, going out, come down, and we'll bend that in. Now we're going to add some fur across the bottom of the chin. On the left side, let's step out, bend this down and out, and pull that back in. Now we're going to work our way over towards the right side. Start back on the left, come down and across, and just bend that back up towards the center. From here, we're going to step down at another point going across towards the right, and this back up. Let's curve back over towards the left. Now we'll tuck this up underneath the head on the right side. Now I'm going to go back up and draw the hair going around the side of the muzzle. In the center, step over toward the left, bend this out and up towards the right. Go over towards the right side and just tuck this up underneath. Let's work our way out towards the side. Step over towards the left, bend this up and in. Do the same thing on the right. Step out and do that again. Let's add a point of hair coming down the side. Starting on the left, come down and out. And pull this in and then up towards the side of the head. Now we're going to go up and work our way around the side of the ears. In the center, we'll step up, leaving a gap. Let's start over on the left side, curve the head going up, come down the side, and then down. Let's move over towards the right side and do the same thing. Going up, and then bending that down. Now I want to curl the hair coming down towards the bottom. Let's start back over on the left, bend this out, and curve that in. Let's curl the hair out towards a point. Bend that back down and then in towards the side. Let's add another curl. Just gonna overlap this, so we'll step up, bend this down and then out. Come down and then bend that in. Let's pull the hair coming in towards the side. And go up and in behind the side of the head. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the side of the candle. On the left, step out, curve this in and back out towards the top. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to bend the wax coming down in the center. Starting on the left, come in and down, round at the bottom, go up and back out. From the top, we're going to step down, bend the wax going up and out. Now to connect the ends by going all the way around towards the top of the candle, go across and round out the right side. Now I'm going to add some texture inside the candle. On the right, down and out, and then from the bottom left, bend this in and up. Let's add the wick in the center with a straight line. Now from the bottom, we're going to step up and draw on that flame. We'll start with the left side. Going all the way around and back across. Bend that back over towards the left. Now I'm just going to curve the right side. Going all the way around and then back in. Let's move back down and draw the legs and feet. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Start over on the left. Draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Come down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to round out the top of the foot. Let's bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Leave a gap on the inside. Let's go to the top of the foot, step out, curve the leg coming in, and then up underneath the head. Now you want to separate the paw with two curves on either side. So we'll start with the outside, bring this in, step in, and draw that twice. Now we're going to add the hind feet in behind. Let's start on the left, curve this around, pull that in towards the side of the front leg. Now let's bring the tail out on the right side of the head. Starting out here, curve this out, bend that in, bend it back out towards the tip. Now it's going to work our way in towards the side of the body. And then we'll finish off by signing our artwork and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Greavard from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.